The yellow shirts, they acting like they
Yeah,
get,
I know.
got Scotty.
He kicked it.
Well, but shouldn't he have kicked it when it came to him? Or I don't know. He did all right.
I think so.
Okay.
I was
'Cause
playing
I don't know
fumbling with the
anything.
camera, so
I'm sorry. I don't know anything about this.
go get it, Scotty! Go get the ball! Get the ball! That's gonna be on the video. Oh shucks. Oh well.
Now he's
Yeah.
yeah. Jessica says, "Why they don't have cheerleaders here?" All right, let's see. Yeah, go.
He's probably a guard,
I don't know.
and so that's why they're telling him to stay back.
You'll learn. This is the second time.
Yeah.
Let's do this. So I mean, it's gonna, he's got
He's doing fine. He's
2 months,
watching. He's
7 weeks of it.
seeing what's going on.
After 7 weeks, he can decide if he wants to pursue the fall season.
Yeah. Yeah. And they're all awkward like that right now. I mean, he doesn't